Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to do a quick little review tip for you guys of the best foam cannon for car detailing. I've done some foam cannon videos in the past. I came across this new one. Mine kind of broke down, and I'll explain the reason why it broke down and why I like this new one so much. But basically it broke down and I had to get a new one, and I found this one on Amazon, and I couldn't be happier with it. It works amazingly well. I've been using it for about 2 months now in my detailing business, and it's just a great choice. So before I do that, I'm actually just getting ready to take a car back to one of my dealership accounts. Just finished wrapping this Maserati Ghibli S. I'll go ahead and show you guys. So the original color of this car is actually charcoal gray, as you can see here on the door sills still. But since it had the tan interior, they kind of wanted to do a kind of a Ferrari feel to it, so they wanted to go with that nice bright red, and I think it came out really well. I also did a chrome delete. So anyways, like I said, I'm about to take that back to the dealership, but I was getting my truck ready and I wanted to give you guys an update on this foam cannon because it's so good. By the way, comment down below, let me know if you guys want some car wrapping videos. And if you do you want like how-to videos, or do you just want like satisfying ASMR style wrap videos? It's pretty satisfying to do, so I'm sure it's probably pretty satisfying to watch, but just let me know. All right, now to the foam cannon. This little guy right here, Sud Magic. I'm gonna go ahead and link it. I'll put it somewhere here, and it'll be linked down in the description below so you guys can get this. The main reasons that I like this thing so much, I apologize, I'm not gonna do a side-by-side video or anything right now. Just know that I use these things a ton and I love this one. But the two main reasons I love this thing so much, and it's such a good buy for you guys, is number one, and this is the main thing. Let me turn you guys around. All right, so the number one main thing here, guys, is that it is a brass fitting. So you can see, take it off. And typically, with most foam cannons, this piece is brass, right? And you have threads inside there, but the bottle is still plastic. And I've gone through so many, like this one's got the nice brass fitting here, so it buttons down really tight. You don't have to worry about over cranking it. It's not gonna strip these threads. I've had so many in the past, I'm constantly refilling these things. You know, I fill up with water, go to crank it down, and if you over tighten it just a tiny bit each time, it continues to wear on those threads. And you know, as you're using this thing, it's got all the weight here, it's kind of holding there. It's just really hard on the threads. So the fact that these are brass threads, guys, this is the number one foam cannon that I found. I love this thing, really highly recommend it because of that feature. Reason number two is it actually comes with a standard size orifice, and it actually comes with the 1.1 millimeter orifice that I always recommend to people. The difference there, if you haven't seen my other videos, is that if you're using a really high PSI pressure washer, the larger regular orifice is totally fine, but if you're using an electric pressure washer, something in that, you know, depending on the gallons per minute ratio, but anywhere from 1,000 to 2,500 PSI, in that range, you're gonna wanna switch out the orifice. I'll go ahead and link the video up here somewhere on how to switch that out. But you're gonna wanna go ahead and switch that out because it reduces the water flow and allows more soap to go through, and it creates a better foam. If you leave it with the thicker or the bigger orifice and you're using a high PSI pressure washer, the foam is super watery and it's not doing what you want it to do. You want that soap to cling to the vehicle and actually break down all the dirt and everything on it. So the fact that this is brass fittings, comes with the 1.1 millimeter orifice along with the regular orifice, this is where it's at, guys. another thing, we're gonna go ahead and test and make sure that this foam cannon fits the basic Ryobi attachment. So here is the extension that comes with the Ryobi unit with the quick connect on the end. Yeah, it fits perfect. So you can definitely use this just with the factory Ryobi pressure washer wand. Alrighty guys, so I've got my work truck in the back. We're gonna go ahead and test out the pressure washer with the foam cannon. Disconnect that real quick and bring it in closer to show you guys how nice and thick this foam is. So definitely works with the pressure washer. Again, this foam cannon is amazing. I highly recommend it. Go and get one, guys. It's definitely worth it. Again, link down below in the description. I hope this helps you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.